5 класс, английский язык. Проверочная работа, номер 8. Домашнее задание, страница 104. English, Spotlight 5. Progress check, number 8. Homework page 104. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look wonderful today. So do you. You look wonderful today. So do you. That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm glad you like it. That's a wonderful color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm very glad you like it. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 104. Progress check number 8. Exercise number 1. Match the words to form collocations. Соедините слова, чтобы получилось словосочетание. The answer. Have street parrots. Dress up. Exchange gifts. Light bonfires. Decorate the house. Cook special food. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Find 10 foods, drinks. Найдите 10 названий еды и напитков. The answer. Number 1. Pineapple. Number 2. Meat. Number 3. Cabbage. Number 4. Milk. Number 5. Burger. Number 6. Pie. Number 7. Butter. Number 8. Pasta. Number 9. Rice. Number 10. Chicken. And now do exercise number 4. Choose the correct word. Выберите правильные слова. The answer. Some potatoes, some eggs, an apple, some milk, some biscuits, some rice, a banana, some sugar. And now, boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Fill in the missing letters. Вставьте пропущенные буквы. The answer. A carton of milk, a bottle of olive oil, a bowl of sugar, a glass of orange juice, a packet of pasta, a box of cereal. And now we must do exercise number 5. Fill in the gaps with some, any, much, many. Заполните пробелы словами some, any, much, many. The answer. How many potatoes have we got? Not many. There are some peas, but there aren't any onions. Are there any apples? Yes, but not many. Are there any bananas? Not. There aren't any. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 6. Use the prompts to complete the exchanges. Используйте подсказки для того, чтобы закончить фразу. The answer. Would you like a glass of milk? That would be nice. Can I take your order? I'd like a cheese sandwich, please. How about pizza? I don't think so. Enjoy your meal. Thank you. Is there any orange juice? There is some. And now I can. Now I can talk and write about festivals and celebrations. The answer. In Russia we celebrate Victory Day on the 9th of May. We watch the parade on TV. In the evening, we set off fireworks. It's a great day, a national holiday. We celebrate victory over fascism. We watch concerts in the evening on TV or in the streets and squares of big cities. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Good morning, the best to you this morning. How are you? How are you? I hope you're feeling fine and happy all the time. Good morning, the best to you this morning. How are you? How are you? I hope you're feeling fine and happy all the time.
I fly so blue in the sky. Even my name is so clear. Butterfly, lower the trees, many places to rest. My wings are open and I am the best. Wonderful dance, look at me once, and don't forget, climb in the bed. Wonderful dance, look at me once, and don't forget, climb in the bed. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето, summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима, winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.